Hello guys, welcome to my channel Girl Funda. As you can see, I am not wearing any makeup today because I will be sharing with you face shaving, that is derma cleaning. You can call it derma cleaning as well. And I will tell you the pros and cons of face shaving, and I will show you the process that I follow. There are many process on YouTube, so you can choose that suits your skin accordingly. And I won't suggest this process to anyone below 20. Now let me tell you the pros of this process. You will get definitely a smoother skin, as there will be no dead skin or hair on your skin, so you will get a smoother skin, which will definitely make your foundation application more easier, and it will definitely be a very nice base. It will create a very nice base when you apply makeup. Next benefit is the better absorption of skincare product. When you don't have any dead skin or any facial hair, your skincare product will penetrate way more to your skin, so it will be absorbed properly and your skin will show the difference. So these are the pros of using or of shaving your face, but you will have to be very careful while shaving your face, because you don't have the dead skin that protects you from the sunlight, and your skin will be way more sensitive. So you'll have to take care of your skin from the sun damage. You'll have to put a lot of sunscreen on the second day or the next few days. And the second thing is, it will increase the sensitivity. If you have sensitivity towards sunlight, or if you have sensitivity towards dust or pollution, then you'll have to be very careful. Next thing is, if you have any breakdown or any zits or any pimples, you better be very careful not to shave that part, because it may be infected, or it may increase, or your skin may be very irritable. So these are the things that you will have to be careful about. As I have already told you the pros and cons of face shaving, let me show you the process. Okay, I don't do dry shaving, so I make sure that I put something on my skin. I normally take this aloe vera gel from Khadi. This is the clear aloe vera gel. Okay, and I mix my this oil that I use. This is plum oil, which is a mix of 10 different oils. So I mix this with my aloe vera gel, and I will do it in parts, like this forehead section along with my eyebrow, then my cheek area, then my nose and upper lips and chin area, and then my area beneath this area, this portion, and my neck. Okay, so let's start. One more thing, guys, you will have to be very careful while shaving your face. You will have to be very patient. Take your own time. Don't rush at all, and be very careful with these two. This eyebrow, don't shave it off. Many people, I have heard many people shave their eyebrows during this process, so you'll have to be very careful. I use this razor. I don't know what you call it. This is peony or whatever. Just I have got this from Nykaa at 99 rupees, and this is supposed to be for your eyebrow, but I shave my face, entire face, with this. I have taken around 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and around 5 to 7 drops of my plum oil into this small glass, and I have mixed it with my finger. Now I will spread the mixture on my forehead first, like this. keep a tissue handy so that you can wipe your finger or your razor whenever you need. Hold your razor like this. You can use a mirror. I'm using a mirror. So hold it like this at the end and hold it a little tilted and very small strokes. Be very careful while doing this because of your forehead. And don't forget that small strokes, small and repetitive strokes, so I am done with my forehead. Now I will be shaving this side. Let me give you guys a closer look. So I'm holding it like this, and as I told you, smaller strokes. You will have to be super careful along with your side lock area. I have lot of hair. Don't cut yourself, guys. So let me just, though it is very disgusting, but let me just show you guys how much hair I have, and these are just mix of hair and dead skin, you know. It acts as a very nice exfoliator for your skin. Never hurry, take your own time, be patient, and you will see the result, trust me. So don't forget your nose area. We have blackheads, whiteheads, and whatnot in this area, and I just don't like it. So don't forget this area. So once I'm through with the process, the entire face, I have cleaned my face with just normal water. Now I will just soak the excess water with a face tissue. So guys, this was my face shaving process, and you can choose your frequency. Normally I will do it once a month, because I don't want to over exfoliate my skin, as I have started using ordinary exfoliator, acid exfoliator, HA, BHA1, and I use physical exfoliant, like, you know, scrubbing or something like that, things like that. So I won't really over exfoliate my skin. This helps me to get my makeup base right. So that is why I use it whenever I'll have to go to a party or an event or a very important program where I need my base to be there, very nice, when people are coming close or people are taking photos. My hair should not poke like this, so I do it in some special occasion. You can do it according to your time. So how you like my video, let me know in the comment section below, so that I'll get an idea whether you are liking it or not. Okay, so please do subscribe my channel and like and share my video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.